Good morning, guys. So Monday morning, I just posted an optional assignment, so you do not have to do it. But I know several of you have finished your project for this week. Remember, projects should be turned in Friday. So if you have yours done, or if you want to share some of the ones you've done in the past, you should have 3 completed at this point. I made some Padlet pages for us to share them. So I'm just going to show you what this would look like. So I did the message in a bottle challenge. So I would click on message in a bottle so that I can open up that Padlet. Once I'm there, I'll just click on the plus so that I can make my page. So I can give it a title. You can be creative with this and write something. You don't have to write a ton here. You can say it worked, it didn't work, whatever. Keep it as short or as long as you want. It's just a way for us to share our work here. So I will say my message in a bottle was successful. Check it out. So what you can do here next is you can actually use the camera right on your computer. So I could snap a picture and then you would just have to allow permission. And there we go. Lovely, right? Take your picture here of your design. Okay. Once we have that done, we could also, if you wanted to, add to yours. So you could just do the picture here, or if you want to, and what I'm going to do is you could add, upload the video of you testing it. You could upload pictures. Thank you. Yep. Upload pictures that you have taken from it. So you can upload them from your computer. You can use links. You could also draw your design if you wanted to do it that way. I'm going to actually link my entire planning document because I made one of those for you guys today, so that you can see what that looks like. So here's mine. So I'm going to share it. So remember, you always click on that blue share link. What I normally do is anyone at Linfield with it can view, but since we're working at home, some of us might inadvertently be logged on with our parents' username. I'm going to say anyone with the link, so that in case we don't have a Linfield login, and then I'm going to copy that link. And it's important I said it for can view and not can edit, because you definitely don't want people accidentally editing your work. And then I'll go here to the link. I will paste it in and hit save. And now it will have the link so that you guys could read my entire document here. So I went through and did all the steps so that you can check those out. And then I have a link to my video at the bottom so you can see how the testing came out. Okay, so it's all right there, and then you'd be all set. So feel free, when you start to see people's posted here, you can also like them. So we have that available here. So a good way for us to be able to share them. I have one for each challenge. So there's the catapult, the hut, the raft challenge. So I already put mine on the raft challenge as well, and then the bridge. So hopefully we'll start to see some stuff here populating. I have them linked to the website also. So you'll see on our website for the Desert Island Challenge, when you go to, let's see, design a raft, it is embedded at the bottom there. So you can already see my post there. Same thing, we just did message in a bottle. So at the bottom, there it is. And you can always click on here too to get to those Padlet pages. Okay, so looking forward to you guys sharing all of your stuff. Remember though, it is optional, so don't feel like you have to, but a great way to showcase your work. Have a great week.